Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw two butterflies in a very easy way. The first butterfly we will make using the letter W and the second one we will use the letter L. So let's start it. First we will draw a big letter W. Try to make it nice and wide. Now we will focus on the top 2 points of the W and we will connect them to the middle bottom point. Here we will draw a small oval shape that is for the butterfly's body. And on the top of the body we will add two curved antennae. Now we will draw a horizontal line connecting the two sides of the curves. Okay, and this will give us a helpful guide so our wings can look more prettier. Now for the second butterfly, we will start by drawing a large letter L. So first we will make L and then we will connect the 2 points. It's look like a triangle. Okay. Here also we will make a horizontal line, not properly in the middle but a little downside, that will connect the side line. Now draw a small oval in the middle. This is the body. Now we will draw two curvy antennas on the top. Now let's shape the wings. So start from the top of the corners and round the wings outside. Do it on both the sides. For letter L also, we will make two wings, the upper wing and the lower wing. So like this, easily you can make a butterfly from the letter L and W. You can erase those straight lines which is showing and you can make a good curves of the butterfly. Even you can add simple wing patterns, curved designs, few circles, anything in the butterfly. So this is how you just learn two simple drawings of butterflies from the letter W and L. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy drawing lessons. See you in the next video. Bye bye.